Welcome to the world of no-code development, where you can create amazing apps, automations, and products without writing a single line of code. In this video, we'll explore some of the top tools and tutorials to get you started. From visual builders to workflow automation, we'll cover it all. So, let's dive in and discover the power of no-code development. First up, we have Bubble, a popular platform for building web applications without coding. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can create custom web pages, e-commerce sites, and even mobile apps. Next, we have Atalo, a no-code app builder that allows you to create native mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to design and develop apps without any coding knowledge. Another great tool is Zapier, a workflow automation platform that connects your apps and services to automate tasks and workflows. With its vast library of integrations, you can automate just about anything. We also have Webflow, a web development platform that allows you to design, build, and launch custom websites without coding. Its drag-and-drop interface and powerful features make it a favorite among designers and developers alike. Additionally, we have Automate.io, a no-code automation platform that allows you to automate tasks and workflows across multiple apps and services. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features make it easy to automate complex tasks. Last but not least, we have Glide, a no-code app builder that allows you to create custom apps for both web and mobile devices. Its intuitive interface and powerful features make it easy to design and develop apps without any coding knowledge. No-code development has come a long way, and with these tools and tutorials, you can create amazing apps, automations, and products without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, there's something for everyone in the world of no-code development.